Technology is an amazing thing to be part of in any profession, especially dentistry. See, technology always causes change, and dentistry is changing all of the time. One of the coolest advances in dentistry is the ability for a dentist to design and make a permanent crown in their own office. In dental school, I used to make it out of wax and cast it in gold. It was a multi-step process that typically took a couple of weeks. You see, making same-day crowns, it's a new service. Only about 10% of dentists in the United States have implemented this technology, but this number is growing every year. This course seeks to give you the basics about the technology, how it's used in dentistry, the equipment required, the way that we bring patients in and out, the basics of designing, the basics of staining, all the cool stuff that goes with it. You will finish this course with a new skill that will polish your resume, improving your opportunity, and giving you a better chance at finding a great job in the field of dentistry. I encourage you to email us, to call us if you have any questions. We'd love you to have a part of this course. Thanks again.